So by feeding the soil today, what we're doing is organically treating our soil versus chemically treating our soil.
Our mission or our passion is love, life, and latitude. It's been part of the family heritage for a long time.
I'm a city kid, but I had grandparents that were farmers. So somehow along the way, I did learn that your soil, where most of us think of it as like the pavement, sort of dull and boring, not doing much there, the soil is actually a living organism. It has so many nutrients and bacteria and all kinds of good things that it does for our plants. And by composting today, what we're doing is feeding the soil so it in turn can feed the plants.
What's the difference between sustainable and regenerative? Maybe it's just semantics, but you want to sustain what's where we're at, or can we make it better? And I think we can make it better.
So Nature's Yoke is our brand of eggs that we have. We're located in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. And all of our farms, 100% of our farms are certified humane. So we care for the birds. We make sure that the birds have a healthy, happy lifestyle as well.
But Baltimore is one of the few places in the country where we're adding to our green space through the tree canopy, through planting, and it's really important that we continue to do this.
The compost that you're going to be spreading today is made from the chicken manure.
The bacteria, the fungi, the nematodes, the springtails, all the little critters in the soil, and figure out what's missing and what we need to put back to make a healthy soil that we don't need to use chemicals, fertilizers, pesticides, etc. And how do we put them back? Well, we grow them in compost. That's actually the easiest way. That's the natural way. The compost is made in part with some of the chicken manure from one of our farms.
Hi, so I'm Amanda. I'm president of the Kiwanis Club of Canton-Fells Point. We're a community service club that just helps out in any way that we can.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Shupin. I'm a master gardener in Baltimore City.
Yeah, this is a great event. Thank you so much for the donation for the compost. I think it's just absolutely amazing. You know, a lot of the things that we do in the community is we try to do cleanups or, any sort of gardening stuff to really beautify the area, but also to, purify the air that we live in and the air that we breathe. And so I think it's really, really important to do events like these and to get more people involved.
It's mostly a native garden, if not all of a native garden, so it's going to be good for the bees and the birds and the environment in general, and it'll become part of the ecosystem here in Baltimore City.
Thank you so much for your donation, and thank you so much for letting us be a part of this event.